Good morning, students. Today, in the mathematics class, we will learn rounding off. So, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn rounding off. Now, what is the meaning of rounding? The meaning of rounding is making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. Listen this one. Rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. Means it is not exactly that number, it is close to what it was. The result is less accurate, obviously, because the number when you are rounding off, it will not be the accurate one close to that particular number. The result is less accurate but easier to work. Now there is some rules and regulations. Okay, we are going to switch to the board and we are going to discuss this one. First is rounding off to the nearest tens. What I told you, rounding off to the nearest tens. Now I am writing a number 1 5 4. This is the ones, this is the tens, and this is the 100. 1 5 4. Now I am going to rounding off to its nearest tens. To rounding off for the nearest tens, we have to look at the digit of ones place. What we have to do? We have to look at the digit of ones place. So what is the rule? For rounding off to the nearest tens, we have to look at the digit of ones place. The ones place digit is 4. So what will be the rule? If the digit which is in the ones place is 4 or less than 4, then what we have to do? We will replace the digit in the ones place with the 0. We will replace the, what we'll do? We will replace the digit in the ones place with 0 without changing the digit of the tens place. So shall I do it? So it will be 1 5 0. So what is the rule? If the digit that is in the ones place, for rounding up to the nearest tens, what we have to do? We have to look where? We have to look at the digit of ones place. Fine. Now if the digit is 4 or less, then what we will going to do? We are going to replace the digit of the ones place with the 0 without changing the other digits. Fine. This is one. Now we'll go to the next one. Rounding off to the, before rounding off to the nearest 100, I will show you another thing. If the digit is more than 4, then what will going to be happen? If the digit is 5 or more than, then what will going to be happen? Fine. I am writing a number over here. 1 5 6 ones, tens, 100. Now we have seen if the digit is 4 or less than 4, then what will going to be happen? But if the digit is 5 or more than 5, then what I am going to do? Here the digit in the ones place is more than 5. If it is 5 also, the same rule is going to be applied over there. What I am going to? I am going to place 0 in the ones place and add 1 with the digit of the tens place. What I am going to do? I am going to replace the digit of the ones place with the 0 and add 1 with the digit of tens place. Thing has been clear? It will be 1 6 0. What is the rule? If if the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then what I am going to do, I will replace the digit in the ones place with the 0 and add 1 with the digit in the tens place. The result will be this. Fine. Now we will go to the next one. Rounding off to the nearest 100. Rounding off to the nearest 100. Here all the rules are same. All the rules are same. But only one thing is there. Here you have to look at to the digit of the tens place. For the rounding up to the nearest tens, what we have done? We have looked at the digit of the ones place. Okay, here we have to look at the digit of the tens place. Okay, fine. Now I am going to write a number. Okay, now I am going to write a number over there. Okay, suppose I am writing fine. We have understood this one. Fine. Now what we have to do? Ones, tens, 100. Fine. Now, what is the rule? Which digit we have to look? We have to look at the digit of tens place, because I am going to round off to the nearest hundreds. So where I have to look? I have to look at the digit of the tens place. What is the rule? If the digit in the tens place is 4 or less, then place 0 at the tens place and ones place. 100, the digit in the 100 place will remain the same. So what will going to happen? If the digit in the tens place, if the digit in the tens place is 4 or less than, then place 0 at the tens and ones place. Fine. So what will going to be happen? The result will be fine. We have understood this one? Yes or no? Yes. Fine. Now what will be the rule? If the digit is 5 or more, then place 0 at the tens place and ones place and add 1 to the digit at the 100 place. So what will going to be happen? If the digit of the tens place is 5 or more, then place 0 at the tens and ones place and add 1 with the digit in the 100 place. I think you have understood this one. Fine. Now we will do one exercise over there. I am writing one number. Number is 4, 7, 6, 8. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Fine. So what I have to do? I have to round up this one to the nearest hundreds. So where I have to look? I have to look it over here. The digit of the tens place. It is 5 or more than 5. Condition is true. So what I will do? I will place 0 over here, 0 over here, and plus 1 with the digit of 100 place. So what will be the result? Result will be 4800. Fine. 0, 0, and I will add 1 with the digit of the where I will add 1 to the digit of the 100 place. I add 1, so 0, 0, 7 plus 1, 8, and 4 will remain over there. I think you have understood this one. For today this much. Tomorrow we have a Google Meet class and we are going to everybody should participate and we will